Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pumi. I'm a South African working living in South Korea. For all my returning subscribers, you guys are really love you guys. You don't know how much I really appreciate you guys. The love and support is showing me. It's amazing. It's amazing. I love it. I like it. And then if it's your first time to be on my channel, you are so very much welcome. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. Hit the notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be the first to be notified. Yes. So on today's video, I'm going to share information about jobs in Canada. So I'm gonna drop some information that you go through, and on this one you don't have to apply through a link. You just go through their company website, you create an account, you fill up your document, you fill up your details, and yeah, like you just see step by step, you just go through everything there. So yes guys, just check it out, try your luck. If you want to immigrate to Canada, this is your chance, and try it out, apply, and you will never know, you might be the one to be selected. So yeah, let's get through it. Let's show some pictures. Number one is for bookkeeper, guys. If you have certificate or degree, any experience, diploma, please apply for these guys. The company name is over there. Good luck. The next one is clerk or hotel front desk, guys. So if you have some experience, qualification on it, any qualification, you can go ahead and apply on their website, guys. Wish you the best of luck. Let's check out the next one. The next one is software engineer, guys. If you have 3 to 5 years experience and bachelor degree or equivalent experience, apply, guys. Then let's check out the next one. I wish you good luck, guys. If you really want to immigrate to Canada, this is for you. Let's get. I know for a fact that everybody been waiting for this one. Nurse aid, guys. If you have your CPR certificate and your first aid certificate and some experience, you good for this one, guys. Apply. And I know that this is the most easiest one to immigrate abroad. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell so that next time when I upload video like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you for watching. Bye.